Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account. On Google Meet you click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Google Meet. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.